Very good day.
Aikari a Mukameni mwena wa Machakos mena gĩkeno thutha wa gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa thirikari kũnyitanĩra na thirikari ya kaunti kũrugũria tabarĩra cia kũmatambĩria maĩ matũra-inĩ. Ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa aikari makoretwo makĩenda nĩguo kũnyihia thĩna wa maĩ nĩ kwenjerwo ithima cia maĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa tabarĩra ĩno ĩgũkinyanĩria. Oho, ũtambia wa maĩ maya nĩ ũgũteithia kũhũrana na mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩrehagwo nĩ gĩko o hamwe na mahũthĩro ũrĩmi-inĩ. Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu aikari nĩ mekũheo mĩatũ nĩguo kũmateithia kũingĩra ũrĩmi-inĩ wa njũkĩ.
Na tuko na shida ya maji, ng'ombe zetu zinakufa juu ya kunywa maji kuna uchafu. Inashikwa na wadudu. Ikawa hata ukipea dawa hata tuoni masaidizi. Tunapea dawa lakini endelea na kukola hiyo kunywa maji mbaya. Na hata pia watu wako na shida ya maji. Kubeba maji na mkongo kutoka mbali kama kilomita 4.
Zile program wanafanya sahi, they are already listed as needs in our county integrated development plan. So hawafanyi kitu iko nje ya county integrated development plan because ukiangalia saidi ya maji, those boreholes are already spec'd. They are already there. They are already raised by the constituencies' needs.
So one initiative we are bringing here is automated water dispensing technology, which means if you want water, you upload on a token, place it on the machine, and you get water. That way, we are going to ensure that we achieve 100% revenue collection. That money is going to be able to sustain the boreholes that are in this area. It is not just latrine, but also self-help group which are going to come together to do beekeeping, to do smart agriculture, to be able to do goat keeping.